What is up, you guys? It's Bree and I'm back with another video. Before I get into the goods and the details of this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, guys. We are almost at 200 subscribers. I know it's not a big deal to you guys, but it's a big deal to me. It just means that I'm growing in the YouTube community. So let's go ahead and get that to 200. Share, comment, like, you know, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's it. So let's get into the video. Before I even get this started, you guys already know I'm not good at the edits and everything. So with this video, you guys are just gonna have to work with me, please. But today's video, we are doing at-home waxing. This is the Bliss waxing kit. I'm not gonna sit here and even lie to you guys. I originally had planned on doing this to my armpits because just a little, I guess, TMI. My leg hair doesn't grow like that, so I had shaved my legs and I kind of had to wait for the hair to grow back so I could do this on my legs. Because y'all, I recorded this previously and I tried to record it me doing my armpits. Y'all, it just was not pretty. Like, no. I don't know if it's because I was trying to do it by myself and I didn't have somebody else trying to record it or somebody else there to help me. But y'all, nope. But it also gave me a glimpse on how to do things when it comes to waxing at home, because I don't got money to constantly go. But like I said, I do want to get into waxing because I just don't like shaving anymore. So let's get into the box. This is what your box looks like. Your box is a Bliss box. I don't know if this just cut off because for some reason SIRI just came and popped up on my screen. So this is what the box looks like. Inside your box you get, it comes with this cup. Yes, I've already used the cup, so the stick is kind of melted in there. I don't think that's supposed to happen, but it's flat when it first comes, and it's obviously wax. And it comes with your instruction book, pre and post wax oil, and it comes with 2 of these spatulas and 2 of these small ones. With the instructions, it literally tells you everything. Like if you want to do a Brazilian, eyebrow, lip, arm, leg, whatever, it tells you everything. Even me, I personally looked up YouTube videos on how to do this. So guys, we're just gonna get right into it. Rip it off like a band-aid. Basically what you do is you throw it in the microwave till it gets soft. I've already done this, so if you decide to get this, please make sure that you read these directions, you guys. Read the directions, because it does specifically say on here how to pull the hair off of a certain type of area. Well, not pull the hair, but take the wax off, you know what I mean. So please make sure you read the directions, because this is just really a review video. I'm touching on some minor things, but basically you put it in the microwave at 30-second intervals, and you just keep trying to get it till it's like a thick honey consistency. And once it gets to that thick honey, test it on your like wrist or something to make sure it's not too hot for you when you put it on your body. And yeah, so I'm about to go heat this up and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, before anybody comes for me, I did scrub my legs with the Tree Hut Moroccan Rose Shea Sugar Scrub. I did do this last night. You know, you're supposed to scrub your legs before you wax. So this is what I used. Okay, y'all, let's get started. I do want to make a disclaimer. I am not a professional, so I'm literally solely going based off of YouTube videos and the directions that came in the box. Yes, I'm using gloves. Last time I did this, I personally had nails on and it stuck to my nails. I know I don't have any nails on, but it's more of a hygiene thing, I guess. So I'm gonna apply some of this oil to my leg before we wax. With the oil being applied on your legs, it says go with the hair. So since my hair goes this way, I will be applying wax. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think you guys can, but I have a good patch of hair right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a good patch of hair right there. Yes, I'm in my living room on my couch. This is probably the one area in my house that, I don't know, just the lighting. So stir it up, get it to a thick consistency of honey. And we are going to, like I said, y'all, I don't really know how to do this, but here we go. Apply. Pretty sure for any of my estheticians, I'm so sorry. This is probably making you cringe. I'm so sorry. But y'all, we are working on smoother and better techniques. So there's my patch that I have, okay? We're gonna let it harden up a little bit, and I believe you go against. So when you take it off, you want to go against the hair. So when you put it on your leg, it says your leg, your arms, and your underarms go with the direction of the hair when you go to apply it. Now that it's tacky enough where I can peel it. Ready, y'all? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Y'all, it got my hairs. So yeah, I'm about to get off camera and finish my leg, and I'll be back. Okay guys, like I had said earlier, I'm not a licensed esthetician. I don't know how to professionally wax. So that was just my take on what I've learned off of YouTube and reading the instructions that they provide with you. I did get 2 uses out of it. I did both of my armpits and I did my leg. Previous video, you see why I only did one leg this time. If you have not checked it out, make sure to go check it out. I feel like the more practice I get, of course, it's gonna go a longer way. The reason I did patches was because it says start in small sections. You know, your first couple of times, and this being my first couple of times, I did do patches, which I don't have a problem doing small areas because I feel like I can focus on it more. It also, this waxing kind of reminded me of like sugar wax, you know, like you put the wax down and you just like, I don't know. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If there's any other beauty products or anything you guys want me to try out, make sure to comment down below or hit me up on Instagram and let me know what some products you guys are that I want to review. But with all of that being said, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.